In this video, I will be showing you how to upload an Excel file to ChatGPT. Let's get started. First, I navigate to the ChatGPT website on my browser. Once the main page loads, I see the central prompt box with the question, "Where should we begin?" To start the process of uploading my spreadsheet, I move my cursor over to the left side of the text input area. There, I locate the plus icon, which is the Add Files and More button. I click on this plus icon to open up the attachment menu. From the list of options that appears, I select the very first one, which is labeled Add Photos and Files. Clicking this opens up my computer's File Explorer window so I can choose the document I want to upload. I look through my system's Downloads folder to find my spreadsheet. I see my file, which is named sample_excel_file, clearly marked with the green Microsoft Excel icon. I click on this Excel file to select it, and then I click the Open button at the bottom right of the File Explorer window. Now, the file is uploaded into the ChatGPT interface. I can see a green attachment pill inside the prompt box that reads sample_excel_file XLSX spreadsheet, showing that it has been successfully attached. Next, I click inside the text input area right below the attached file so I can type out my specific instructions for the AI. I type, "Analyze this Excel file and explain what the data represents. Identify the columns, summarize the information, and provide key insights in simple language." Once my prompt is completely typed out and I am satisfied with the instructions, I move my cursor to the right side of the input box. I click on the black arrow button, which is the Send Prompt button, to submit my request and the attached spreadsheet to ChatGPT. I see a small, working status indicator appear on the screen, followed by a thinking status, showing that ChatGPT is currently reading and processing the contents of my Excel spreadsheet. After a few moments of processing, ChatGPT stops thinking and begins generating its response. It successfully analyzes the Excel file and states that it found one worksheet named Sample Data. It then breaks down what the data represents, explaining that this appears to be a simple employee performance dataset containing employee information and their scores. As I scroll down the page, I can see that the AI has clearly identified each column from my spreadsheet, listing out the ID, name, department, and score along with a brief description for each one. Below the column identification, ChatGPT provides a beautifully formatted data summary table. This table neatly reproduces the information from my spreadsheet, showing the 5 employees. Scrolling further down, I see that the AI has compiled key statistics from the data, such as the total records, the average score of 88.4, the highest score of 92, the lowest score of 85, and the overall score range. And that is exactly how you upload and analyze an Excel file using ChatGPT. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.